Okay, let's talk about the real number system and those things that make up the real number system. First of all, the real number system symbol is the letter R, and it is all numbers. The real number system consists of all numbers. When we talk about irrational numbers, these are numbers that never end and have no pattern. So they're huge numbers. And they are, the symbol for irrational number is I, and they look like this. Pi, the square root of 37, the square root of 10, and the negative square root of 24. They have no pattern and they never end. And then pi is also included, and non-perfect square roots, which we'll talk more about much later. Rational numbers are indicated by the letter Q, and they are fractions and decimals that have no end or pattern. So there'll be some examples of those. Will be 1/3, 0.32, and -2 4/5. Integers are indicated with the letter Z, and they are the negative numbers, 0, and the positive numbers. Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on into infinity. And natural numbers are indicated with the number n, and you just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into infinity. Natural numbers are also called counting numbers. Because you only count. Now that we have defined our real numbers in the real number system and given some examples, let's now try this activity. It says, name all the sets of numbers to which each number belongs. So, number 30. Number 30 belongs to in the real number system, as they all do. 30 is also a rational number, which is Q. It's an integer, which is Z, and it's a whole number and a natural or counting number. Number 2, -11. It is a real number. It is a rational number. And it is an integer. Number 3, is a rational number. Is a real number and a rational number.